This is the Phillips Norelco 6000 wet dry vac. There's a couple ways you can clean it out. You can actually clean it over your sink if you want. But what I find with that, it tends to start clogging up my sink. So on this razor, to open it, there's no special button, but on any of these edges here, you just pop it open. It opens real easy, and you'll see all the filth in there. So I just take a toothbrush, just kind of brush everything out of there, get it cleaned up. And then here's the head. So how to take these off? You basically, there's two knobs here. You just take and you turn them counterclockwise, just like that, and it comes right out. So that's how they come out. Get a little closer here. So just take and turn it. Just counterclockwise a little bit, it comes right out. So that's that. Just kind of brush this up a little bit just to clean it up. You can always rinse it under the water, like I was saying. But what happens is it clogs up my sink. So then you have the three pieces here. The top piece is the plastic piece that you unturn. Then you have the razor itself that goes into. So it goes like that. So this goes face down. So I just basically go through each one of these, clean it up. This is the part. Sometimes if you have a beard or a goatee or something, sometimes it's a little bit harder to clean out long hairs. But just do that. Put it back in there. This doesn't snap on here, it just kind of sits on there. Just turn it till it goes flat. And I set it aside. And then just go through the other two heads here. Yeah, this one has all kinds of whiskers and long hair in it. So I just got to get it cleaned out here, get all that stuff out of there. Probably doesn't help the heads from spinning freely. You want to keep it clean so it lasts long. Keep it clean, it'll last longer for you. I've had this razor for several years, and I also posted a video of how to sharpen it with 1500 grit sandpaper, wet dry paper. So this one has all kinds of junk in it. Wow. That's got all kinds of stuff in there. That's not good. Wow. Yeah, this thing probably wasn't working too good. Way too much long hair in there. As you can see, they get pretty dirty. So I want to clean this out. Put it back there. Clean this off. Those are all nice and flat. And then putting these back together, it's not too bad. Just drop one in here. And then just kind of turn it and it'll click. Goes in pretty easy there. So you just set it in there. Should be flat. You don't have to force it, just gently push it in there and turn it, and it's back in there. Just drop it back in there. You turn it to the right clockwise until it clicks. And there, all three of them are back in there. Snap it back on. And we're back in business. So I also have a video up of how to sharpen the blades on there. This is it's a flathead. So you can sharpen them on 1500 sandpaper. I'm also going to do a video of how to sharpen them on a sharpening stone. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a like. We appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much.